Yes. So ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a should not be equal to 0 is a general form of a quadratic equation. And as we know, a quadratic polynomial has two zeros because degree is 2. Likewise, a quadratic equation will have two. We don't use the term zeros, but roots. Two roots. Now I tell you why. Suppose children, I have a linear polynomial x plus 4. What is the zero of this polynomial?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4 is the zero. Why do we say that minus 4 is the zero of this polynomial?
Because if we add,
Ma'am,
then
we will
the
get
answer will be
0. If we add minus 4.
If we put x minus 4, this reduces to 0. If we take x as minus 4, this reduces to 0. That is why this is known as zero of a polynomial. But bacha, if I have an equation x plus 4 equal to 0, the equation is already equal to 0. Getting my point? This is
Yes, ma'am.
equal to 0. So what are we going to say whether it's going to be equal to 0 or not equal to 0? So we do not say that x equal to minus 4 is the 0, but root. Here we say x equal to minus 4 is a 0 of this polynomial because I'm putting minus 4, this becomes 0. Here, being equation, we already have sign equal to 0. So this is a just basic thing that why we do not say that we are calculating zeros of an equation, but roots. This is the only difference. Is that okay, children?
yes.
We do not use
Yes.
the term. Let's see. For English, we have vocabulary. Hindi also we have a vyakaran. Rules are there. For maths also, children, we have vocabulary. In case we are talking of polynomials, we use the term zeros. And when we are talking of the term quadratic equation or cubic equation, any equation, we use roots. Okay, bete? Is it fine, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
the things remain same. The things remain same. In case of polynomial, we find zeros of a polynomial. In case of equation, we shall find roots.
Roots of the equation.
Find roots of the equation. Find roots of the equation. Let's say x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So here we need to find roots of the equation. We know how to factorize this part using middle term split method.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
7 will be split as
3x.
4x
4x
plus
plus 3x.
3.
x
4x
squared
and 3x.
4x
plus
plus 3.
3 plus 12 equals 0.
12.
What is to be taken common?
X.
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 3.
X plus 3. X plus 3.
4.
4.
4.
4.
X
X
plus
3.
3.
3.
So x plus 3
X plus 4. And x plus 4.
Plus 3x plus
X plus
equals
4.
0. Now children, when we have a into b equals 0, this is only possible when either a
Ma'am, either of them are 0. Either of them is 0
or b equal to 0.
or both equal to 0. So this also would mean x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 equals 0, which gives me x equal minus 3 minus 4.
Minus 3 and minus 4.
These are the two roots of the equation. See, what is the difference? When we were given polynomial x squared plus 7x plus 12, what we were doing? Here we were, in the end, we used to write that now to find zeros, we should equate it to 0. That is what we were doing, children. And here in this
Yes, ma'am.
question, already equal to 0 is there, so we don't have to write all those lines. Steps are exactly same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anugrah, please pause. So now we have 2x squared minus x plus 1 by 8 equals 0. Would we first like to get rid of the denominator?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Get rid of the denominator. Multiplied by.
Ma'am,
Eight.
multiply by 8.
8.
So this becomes
16x square
16x square.
16x
minus
square
8x
minus 8
plus
plus
1
equals 0.
minus 8x plus
plus
1
1.
equals 0. Beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is what we are going to get. Now, we need to see 16 into 1. What is the factorization of 16 into 1? 16 into 1
Ma'am.
is
I'm 16.
factorized for
Ma'am, 4 into 4. Ma'am, 4
Is
into 4. Minus 4 plus minus
minus
1.
4 plus 1.
Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This gives me 16x square. This can be divided as
Minus 4x minus 1.
Minus 4 plus 1.
4x minus 4x.
so now 16x square minus 4x. What is to be taken
Ma'am,
common?
4x.
Ma'am, 4
4x.
common.
4x.
4x.
So we get 4x minus 1
4x minus
from here.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
4x minus 1.
4x minus 1.
So this is 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Are these both same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These both are same. We will be taking them as 1 or 2 factors. These are the factors we will take as 1
One
or 2.
factor.
Ma'am, 1.
Both are same. Both are same. It is like identical twins. If parents have got identical twins, what do they say? We have one child or we have 2 children?
Ma'am, we have 2 children.
Ma'am, we have 2 children. Even if they are identical, they are counted as 2 children. So likewise, you will not escape any one of them. You will write 2 of them 2 times. Is that okay, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1 by 4.
By 4.
How many times?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
We call them, we say that these have got repeated roots. What do we say? Repeated roots. Okay. So that is how we are going to do it. Now children again. 100 into, what is 100 into 1?
100.
10 into 10.
100.
Need to factorize this 100 for 20, 100 to get 20. How can we get it?
10 into
10
10.
into 10.
10 into 10.
Minus 10
Minus 10
minus,
minus.
right? It will be 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. Because 100 is written as 10 into 10 and 10 plus 10 gives me 20. Okay, beta? Correct? Now,
Yes.
what is common?
Ma'am, 10x. Ma'am, 10x.
10x.
10x minus 1. And what is common here?
Ma'am, minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
10x minus 1.
So what is this equal to?
Ma'am, 10x minus 1 into 10x
Ma'am, identical roots.
equal to 0. Ma'am, repeated roots.
Identical. But we will be writing it how many times?
Ma'am, 2 times.
Ma'am, repeated
Not
roots 2
es-
times.
not escaping.
So what is the what is
Two
it telling?
Ma'am,
1 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 times.
So these are also called repeated roots. What do we call them? Repeated.
Repeated root.
So this is the first kind of question in root. You have not done questions in root earlier. Earlier means in class 9. We haven't done root questions. So that makes this question important. Because whatever is new is going to be asked. Right? See, beta. The logic, the rule will remain same. You have to multiply the first term and the last term. Now, if you multiply root 2 and 5 root 2, what are you going to get?
10.
I'm 10. I'm 10.
Yes. Is it 5 into 2? Root 2 into root 2 gives you 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5 into 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So, 5 plus 2 gives you what?
7.
7.
7.
7.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Getting the middle
Ma'am.
terms with here itself. How should we split the middle term?
Ma'am,
2x plus 5x.
Ma'am,
2x plus 5.
Now, I would say, since this 7 is split as 2x plus 5x, since 5 is there with the constant, so we would like to write 5 on this side. You can write 5 plus 2 also. You can write as 5x plus 2x also, but I would prefer to keep 5x this side so that 5 root 2 and 5x, 5 can be taken common. Okay, beta. Now, from these two, what can be taken common?
Root 2x.
Root 2x.
2x.
How
Ma'am,
can
root
we-
2x. Ma'am,
How
only
can,
x.
Root 2 into root 2.
Ma'am, root 2.
into root.
can we write this 2 as root 2 into root 2? Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
From both this, 1 root 2 and 1 root 2 will be common. Also the x. So root 2 x square. Root 2
Ma'am,
is
x
taken
plus root 2.
X plus
from
root 2.
x
Plus root
square,
X
is
plus
taken.
root 2.
So what is left? X.
Ma'am, x.
Ma'am,
Now this root 2 is already taken out. X is already taken out. What am I left with?
Ma'am,
Root
plus
two.
1
ma'am,
root
root 2.
All right. Now from these two, what can be taken common?
5. Ma'am, 5.
I'm 5.
So what is left?
X plus root 2.
X plus root 2.
X root 2.
Please make sure that these two brackets must be same. Are we getting the same brackets?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Gives me x plus root 2
Into root 2x plus 5.
which is equal to 0.
0.
All right. Now x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 equals 0. Okay. So this gives me
When x is equal to
X
minus.
X is
equal
equal to minus root 2
X is equal to
and
5
minus
upon
5.
root 5
X
upon
equals
Five
to
upon
minus
minus 5 by
x is equal to
minus 5 upon
minus
5 upon
this
root
gives
2.
me x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2.
minus 5.
Can we leave it like this?
Ma'am, we have to rationalize.
No, ma'am.
Rationalize it.
I'm rationalized.
So when you rationalize it, it will become minus 5 root 2 divided by
2.
2.
2.
so the two roots are minus root 2 and
5 root 2 upon
5
2.
minus 5 root
5
2. By 2.
by 2.
okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. 3x square minus 2 root x plus 2 equals 0. Here also, children, let us see first term and the constant. What does it give me?
6.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
6. But in the question, we need root 6. How can we put root 6 and 6 together? How can we combine them? What is the relation?
6 is root 6 into root 6.
Root 6 into root 6.
Root 6
6
square.
is, see, Again, I am repeating. Factorization, the first step is the first term in the constant to be multiplied. So 3 into 2 makes it 6. But keeping an eye on the middle term, we know we need root 6 also. So how to get root 6? So 6 is root 6 into
Root 6.
Root 6.
Root 6.
also root 6 plus root 6 gives you what?
2 root
2
6.
root 6.
Root 6.
Root 6. 2 root 6.
Getting middle term also by this trick?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We have 3x square minus root 6. I hope you know why I'm taking both negative. So then
Yes,
negative
ma'am.
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be
Yes, ma'am.
plus 2 equals 0. Now we are getting stuck over here. Is there anything which is common in 3 and root 6? Now we need to pay a
Ma'am,
little.
only X.
Only x. Sure.
No, ma'am.
No.
3 also.
No, ma'am.
3 years also.
Can anybody tell me how can I put 3?
Ma'am, root 3
Root 3 into root.
Yes. And how can I put root 6?
Root 3.
Root 2 into my
Root
root 3 into root.
Root 3.
Root.
Root 2.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also
Root 3 into
Root 3
root 2.
into root 3.
is 2 as
Root 2 into root 2.
Root 2 into root 2.
2 into root 2.
100. Now tell me, what is common in these two?
Root 3.
Root 3
Root
X.
3.
Root 3.
Ma'am, root 3 X.
Ma'am, root 2.
Root 2. Ma'am, root 2 X.
Got it? Are you with me? Please see this step carefully. Please see this step carefully. Are you getting my point? Root 3 into root 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. And then from the first two, you can also use different color pens and all if you want to get the things clear. This is how we are going to get it. So now, I am taking this root 3, also x common. What am I left with?
Ma'am, root 3 minus
Root 3 minus
Root 3x
2.
minus root 2.
Ma'am, root 3x minus
Minus.
root 2.
You can please cross check. Just pause and cross check. Root 3 into root 3 gives you 3.
3x square.
Into x gives you x square.
X square.
Root 3 into root 2 gives you
Root 6.
Ma'am, root 6.
satisfied.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now next to be taken minus root 2 common. What are we left with?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, root
minus
3x
root 3x minus root 2.
Please see that both the brackets are same. Are
Yes,
they?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Check if
Ma'am, root
they are
3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2. Ma'am,
Is that-
repeated 2.
Ma'am, identical roots.
identical. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we get root 3x minus root 2 is equal to
Equals
0.
to 0.
Twins. Identical twins. So this becomes
Ma'am, root 2 upon
Root 2 upon root 3.
Root 3.
Root 2 upon root.
equal to root 2 upon
Root 3.
root 3.
meaning it like this? No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
will
rationalize.
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 What do
Root
we
6
get?
by 3.
Root 6 upon
Root 6 by 3.
Root 6 divided by 3.
2 times.
3.
Root 6 upon
Root 6 upon 6, comma. Root 6 upon
I'm root 6 by 3.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
3.
yes, yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.